Hello again, amazing learners. Welcome back to Basic 1000 English Words. You've learned 140 useful words already. You're doing a fantastic job. Today, we'll focus on daily action verbs, simple action words you use every day to talk about what you do. Get ready, grab your notebook, and let's learn together. Walk is to move on your feet at a normal speed. Walk. Say it with me. Walk. Run is to move fast using your legs. Run. Repeat after me. Run. Eat is to put food in your mouth and chew it. Eat. Say it clearly. Eat. Drink is to take liquid into your mouth. Drink. Let's repeat. Drink. Sleep is to rest your body with your eyes closed. Sleep. Say it with me. Sleep. Wake is to stop sleeping and open your eyes. Wake. Repeat slowly. Wake. Wash is to clean something with water. Wash. Say it clearly. Wash. Brush is to clean with a brush, like brushing teeth. Brush. Let's practice. Brush. Cook is to prepare food by heating it. Cook. Say it with me. Cook. Clean is to remove dirt from something. Clean. Repeat after me. Clean. Write is to make words or letters with a pen or pencil. Write. Say it clearly. Write. Read is to look at and understand written words. Read. Let's repeat. Read. Open is to move something so it is not closed. Open. Say it with me. Open. Close is to move something so it is shut. Close. Repeat slowly. Close. Turn is to move something around in a circle. Turn. Say it clearly. Turn. Sit is to rest your body on a chair. Sit. Let's practice. Sit. Stand is to be on your feet. Stand. Say it with me. Stand. Talk is to say words to someone. Talk. Repeat after me. Talk. Listen is to pay attention to sounds or words. Listen. Say it clearly. Listen. Look is to direct your eyes at something. Look. Let's repeat. Look. Well done! You now know 160 words in our basic 1000 English words journey. Try saying what you do in a day using these words. Example. I wake up, wash my face, eat breakfast, and walk to school. Tell me in the comments, what's the first thing you do every morning? Next time, we'll learn 20 more useful words. Keep practicing every day.